Welcome to your very first English adventure. Today, we're going to play a game together. To begin, we just need to push this flashing button. Let's press start. Look, it's our puppy guide. His text bubble asks, "What's your name?" Say your name out loud. My name is... Great to meet you. Now our puppy has a birthday cake. He asks, "How old are you?" Tell him your age out loud. I'm... Awesome. Because you answer out loud, you just earned your first reward, a bright red puzzle piece. See? Just by speaking out loud, you already found your first treasure. And every time you talk in English, we get to find even more rewards in the next level. Welcome to Level 2. Up ahead, we have a wide river to cross. The only way to get to the other side is by counting our steps. We have these colorful gears floating in the water to step on. Count out loud with me as we hop across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are halfway across. Don't stop now. Let's hop on the rest of the gears to reach that purple backpack. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You made it across the river. For counting all the way to 20, you get your second reward, a shiny blue puzzle piece. Knowing our numbers gives us a helpful tool. When we can count from 1 to 20, we can easily group, share, and keep track of all the new things we find in our classroom. Let's open up that purple backpack we found at the end of the river. It's time for Level 3. Look at these school supplies right in front of us. When something is right here next to us, we use the word this. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a book. Now look further away, across the room. When something is over there, we use the word that. That is a door. That is a window. That is a chair. Let's test our eyes with these 4 boxes. In the red box, is this a desk? No, it's a chair. In the blue box, is this a pencil? No, it's a pen. Look at a green box. Is this a door? No, it's a table. But look at the purple box. Is this a bag? Yes, you got them right. That earns you the third reward, a bright yellow puzzle piece. When you know the names of your school supplies and how to use this and that, you can show your friends and teachers exactly what you are looking for. You've done a lot of great talking. For Level 4, we need to get our whole body moving. Make sure you have a little room around you. See the green arrow pointing up? When I say stand up, get up on your feet. Ready? Stand up. Now look at the red arrow pointing down. When I say sit down, take a seat. Sit down. Let's try 3 more actions. First, look around your room and point to a window. Next, find a book near you and show me a book. Finally, reach out your hand and touch your desk. Excellent moving. You've just earned the final reward, a green puzzle piece. Action words do something very special. They let us follow instructions and play games together. Understanding these words turns listening into doing. We've reached the final challenge. To win the game, we just need to use everything we've practiced today all at once. Look at our checklist next to our collected puzzle pieces. First, say hello. Second, count with me. 1, 2, 3 books. Third, ask yourself, what's this? It's a pen. And fourth, stand up. You did it! Now watch what happens when we bring our red, blue, yellow, and green puzzle pieces together. You win! You've earned the golden trophy. Great job completing the adventure. By counting, talking, and moving with us today, you showed that you are ready for your English classroom. You should feel very proud of your new skills. See you next time.